There comes a time in every car's life where the cost of maintenance is too damn high. But how do you know when it's time to cut your losses and replace your old clunker with a brand new car? Answering that question has always been difficult. Now with sky-high car prices and supply chain issues making it hard to find parts, that decision is even more tricky. So when should you fix your beater and when should you ditch it? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. In the old days, if fixing your car cost more than 50% of the car's market value, it was always time to buy a new ride. But that logic might not apply today. New car prices are higher than ever, and it's hard to find a bargain on a quality used car. If you sold your car right now, could you find something better for the same price? It might be better to invest some money in maintenance and get a few more years out of your current ride, at least until car prices cool off a little. Of course, that means finding a mechanic you can trust, and hoping that the parts you need aren't on back order. So what does this mean for you? If your car is still functional, now is a good time to focus on preventative maintenance. Keep your current vehicle running, and if you want to buy a new car down the road, start planning now. Because with today's sky-high prices, you don't want to rush into buying a new car. For more car buying advice, check out jalopnik.com.